Hello everyone, welcome to Amplify Learning, and today we are continuing our gate series today, and we have a problem from mechanics. So the question is, the beam shown in the figure is subjected to a uniformly distributed downward load of intensity Q between supports A and B. Considering the upward reactions as positive, the support reactions are. And so it is this pinned support and roller support, two roller supports, and has a hinge, so it becomes a determinate structure, right? And the length of the beam is given, so you have to find out the upward reaction at A, B and C. Okay, so let's do the solution. So here I've considered the upward reactions as RA, RB and RC. I've considered the hinge location at E. So because it's a hinge, the moment about it would be 0. So summation of ME will be 0. So I am considering this direction on this side of hinge. So RA multiplied by L minus QL square by 2, that is due to the UDL. We get from this we get RA equal to QL by 2. Okay. Now from the right side of the hinge, summation M equal to 0, we get RB into L plus RC into 2L minus QL square by 2 equal to 0. From that we get RB plus 2RAC equal to QL by 2, this equation. Now obviously the vertical reactions, the total vertical forces would be 0. So RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 2QL. Now we put the value of RA, we know QL by 2, we get RB plus RC equal to 3QL by 2. Now we have two equations which have RB and RC. So two unknowns, two equations. We use that to solve them. Okay, so from that we get RC is equal to minus QL and RB equal to 5QL by 2. So the solution is RA equal to QL by 2, RB equal to 5QL by 2 and RC equal to minus QL. So the correct option is option A. So that was it for today's solution. If you want more such solutions, subscribe and you will not miss out on the upcoming videos.